Being broke is stressful, we all know that. The constant worry about how to make ends meet can be overwhelming, but what many don't realize is that being broke often leads to more debt. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to escape. When you're struggling to make ends meet, unexpected expenses pop up. These can be anything from minor inconveniences to major financial burdens. Car repairs, medical bills, and other emergencies can strike at any time, adding to the financial strain. Even just buying groceries becomes a challenge when you're living paycheck to paycheck. This is where the hidden costs come in. The small expenses add up quickly, creating a larger financial burden. You might rely on credit cards to cover those unexpected costs, thinking it's a temporary solution. Or maybe you take out a payday loan, thinking you'll pay it back quickly, but it's rarely that simple. These quick fixes often come with high fees and interest rates, making it even harder to get out of debt. Suddenly, you're not just struggling to pay for everyday expenses, you're drowning in debt. The weight of it all can feel unbearable. This constant financial strain impacts your mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and strained relationships. It feels like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of just trying to catch up. The stress can be all-consuming. The good news? You can break free. It may seem impossible, but with determination, it's achievable. It takes time, effort, and a plan, but you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Start by setting realistic goals and creating a budget that works for you. Imagine this. Your car breaks down unexpectedly. You need it for work, so you charge the repairs to your credit card, thinking it's a temporary solution. Now you have a big credit card bill on top of your regular expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities. You're short on cash, so you skip a few bill payments to make the minimum credit card payment, hoping to catch up next month. This is the domino effect of debt, where one problem leads to another. One financial misstep can trigger a chain reaction that's hard to stop, creating a snowball effect of financial woes. Missing bill payments leads to late fees and could even damage your credit score, making it harder to secure future credit. A lower credit score means you'll pay higher interest rates on future loans, making it even harder to get back on track financially. It's like being stuck in quicksand. The more you struggle, the deeper you sink. The stress can be overwhelming. Many people face these challenges, but it's crucial to recognize the patterns and break the cycle before it spirals out of control. Seeking financial advice and creating a budget can be the first steps toward recovery. Interest is the silent killer of your financial well-being. It creeps up on you, often unnoticed until it becomes a significant problem. It's the price you pay for borrowing money, and it can feel like a never-ending cycle. What starts as a small debt can quickly turn into an overwhelming burden if not managed properly. Think of it like a monster that keeps growing bigger the longer you ignore it. The more you delay, the more it consumes. Every month that you carry a balance on your credit card, you're feeding the interest monster, making it stronger. Let's say you have $5,000 in credit card debt with a 20% interest rate. It might not seem like much at first, but if you only make the minimum payments, you'll end up paying thousands of dollars in interest alone over time, which can be a huge financial drain. That's money you could be saving or using to achieve your financial goals, like buying a home or starting a business. The key is to understand how interest works and make a plan to pay down your debt as quickly as possible. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing debt. The sooner you slay the interest monster, the sooner you can start building a solid financial future. Take control of your finances today and watch your future brighten. The first step to tackling your debt is simple. Stop borrowing money. Put those credit cards away, cut up those store cards, and commit to living within your means. Next, create a budget. I know, budgeting sounds scary and restrictive, but trust me, it's the most important tool you have to regain control of your money. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It helps you track your income and expenses so you can see where your money is going. Once you understand your spending habits, you can start making changes to free up cash to put towards your debt. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. There are resources available to help you create a budget and manage your debt. Section 5. Budgeting Basics. Your roadmap to financial freedom. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a simple spreadsheet or use a budgeting app. List all your sources of income and track every dollar you spend for a month. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can start making adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back on spending. Can you eat out less? Negotiate lower rates for your cell phone or internet. The goal is to free up as much cash as possible to put towards your debt. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. Creating and sticking to a budget is like having a roadmap to financial freedom. It helps you stay focused on your goals and make informed decisions about your money. Section 6. Slashing expenses, finding hidden money you didn't know you had. You might be surprised how much money you can save by making a few small changes to your spending habits. Start by identifying your needs versus your wants. Do you really need that daily latte, or can you make coffee at home? Do you need cable TV, or can you get by with streaming services? Negotiate lower rates for your insurance, cell phone, and internet bills. You'd be amazed at how much you can save by simply asking for a better deal. Look for free or low-cost entertainment options instead of going to expensive concerts or movies. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards paying down your debt faster. Get creative and find ways to have fun without breaking the bank. Section 7. Boosting your income. Explore creative ways to earn more. While cutting expenses is important, sometimes you need to increase your income to make a real dent in your debt. Explore side hustles or part-time jobs that fit your skills and interests. Consider driving for a ride-sharing service, delivering food, or selling items online. You can also utilize your skills to offer freelance services like writing, graphic design, or virtual assistance. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Can you bake and sell cakes? Offer pet sitting services? The possibilities are endless. The extra income from a side hustle can help you pay down debt faster and reach your financial goals sooner. Section 8. Seeking help. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance. Managing debt and getting your finances in order can feel overwhelming. But remember, you don't have to do it alone. There are resources available to help you every step of the way. Credit counseling agencies can provide guidance on budgeting, debt management, and negotiating with creditors. They can also help you explore options like debt consolidation or debt management plans. Talk to your friends and family about your financial goals and challenges. They might have helpful advice or know of resources that can assist you. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Section 9. Take charge. You can break free and achieve financial peace. Getting out of debt and achieving financial peace takes time and effort, but it's absolutely possible. Remember, you're not defined by your debt. You have the power to change your financial future. Start by taking small steps. Create a budget, track your spending, and identify areas where you can cut back. Look for ways to increase your income and explore resources that can provide guidance and support. The most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to financial freedom. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your goals, and never give up on your dream of a brighter financial future. Remember to like and subscribe.